Personal protective equipment. Toolbox talk about protective footwear. Foot protection means guarding your toes, ankles, and feet from injury. Protective footwear designed to protect the foot from physical hazard such as falling objects, stepping on a sharp object, heat and cold, wet and slippery surface, or exposure to corrosive chemicals. Recommended shoe must be: number 1. The inner side of the shoe must be straight from the heel to the end of the big toe. Number 2. The shoe must grip the heel firmly. Number 3. The forepart must allow freedom of movement for the toes. Number 4. The shoe must have a low, wide base heel. And number 5. Flat shoes are recommended. Next, how to wear safety shoe. Preferably wear sport or work sock. Remember to keep the feet dry as well as the sock, the insole, and the lining of the shoe. When you put your feet in the shoe, make sure the insole does move. Move your fingers to adapt the fit to the shoe, especially in the toe cap area. Remember to tie your shoe well. They must adhere to the fit without being too tight. The conclusion: I hope this list was helpful for you to learn how to properly wear safety footwear to be protected at the work.
Created using Powtoon.